Hi, are you wondering how to get your direct mail to work better? Are you getting absolutely zero results from your canvassing? Well, good news, I'm here to tell you the biggest secret to get your direct mail working for you. I'm Sam Ashdown and this is another episode of Whiteboard Wednesdays, and today I'm going to give you just one great tip to make your direct mail work better for you, and that is make it long. Now this is probably counterintuitive to you. You're probably sending out canvassing leaflets with maybe just 50 or 100 words on them, or even a postcard with maybe 10, 15 words on them. And the problem there is that your prospects aren't engaging with your written material for long enough. Make it a really long letter, and yes, more people will dismiss it and not get to the end of the letter, but the people who do get to the end of the letter, well, they're your ideal clients because they're interested. Make the letter really interesting and people will get to the bottom of the letter and it will convert better. Now, statistics tell us that 2 pages converts better than 1, 3 pages converts better than 2, and actually a good friend and marketer of mine sends out regularly 8-page direct mail letters. So make yours long and see what happens when you send out your next direct mail. If you'd like to make sure that you never miss an episode of Whiteboard Wednesday, follow me on Facebook and YouTube at Marketing Magic for Estate Agents. Bye for now.